Hello everybody and welcome back to another another episode of Adventure Kingdom. Yeah. I thought doing something like Stacy Plays intro would make it sound cooler, but I don't think it did. Yeah, it really didn't. It'd rather sound better like with Dogcraft and stuff. Shout out to Stacy Plays, go look at her YouTube channel. Anyways. Yeah, I found glass. Yeah, I found glass. I was just on exploration, and then apparently there's like a beach, like about like 20 blocks that way or something. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I wasn't keeping track. Wait, was the beach that way, or that way? Honestly, I can't tell. What's that scream? Was I got the soil just from creative, cause I mean, guys, I'm a blue fire enderman. Of course I need blue fire. Also, guys, I also found. Oh, have some more. Just play some more. And actually, I need more. Guys, don't call this as shooting. Please, guys, don't. It's just glass. I mean, actually, guys, like, please don't call this as cheating. I mean, it's just glass. Like, I didn't cheat for like any iron or something. Could have cheated for anything. No, cheat for glass. That's fair. Ooh, I should have built a balcony. Maybe later in the series, I'll build a balcony. There's actually something really fun that I found. Yeah, I guess. But really, I forgot how to put it. If we do like, how do we do it again? Just craft the ones. Yeah, so there's like these soul things. But we need soul sand to do it. Oh. Ah. If you guys suggest me not going into creative mode anymore, just say that down in the comments. Because I can do that. But, still. Now, if we can just place some of this, and then we flip and don't have any. Oh yeah. La 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 la. Coal. I need some coal. Give me all the coal. No, water. Get away. Stay away, water. I do not like you. I am Enderman. Bad. The cold above the water. Hey, parkour skills. Hey, hiya. You can actually do good ASWD. X. I don't know his name, honestly. You can check out his channel. Or Unspeakables. This is what his voice sounds like. ASWD. No, I'm not ASWD, guys. Do not think that. I actually know how to summon ASWD, but this is a survival series. We're not gonna summon him. If we get enough like subscriptions, likes, or something, then I might summon him. But right now, Hudson's recording a video. But really, true thing is, we don't need the ghost anymore because we have, where is it? Soul Lantern. Oh, we need iron nuggets. I don't have to cheat for that one. I got this boy. Boom. Oh, I got so much iron nuggets. Oh, and the spectral arrow, I actually found this and I love it. So we'll definitely have to craft some of these, cause the effect that they give is like outrageously OP. Right here, a soul lantern. Perfect, 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 perfect. 2 more of these. That's my dogs barking. Yes, this looks amazing. Oh, I bet. Oh, yeah, they look so cool. That's cute. I can say it looks cute. It actually looks like really, really cool and cute. I can say stuff like that. I can craft another shield. We'll definitely need to make an armor stand at some point. What chain? What's that? Oh wait, yeah, I know what chains are. So you can like stack stuff with them. Like the lanterns, we can stack them with chains. Normal lantern is probably just, you know, I'm not gonna even look. A normal lantern, we're gonna need. Okay, no, I'm not gonna even look. I swear. They're like this, just normal lanterns. First, we need some torches, guys. Don't worry. I can make a torch. Pro. And then iron nuggets surrounding it. Pretty sure. Yeah, you can make these lanterns. Lanterns that. Well, that's cute. Oh, wait, no, it's not that cute. I mean, if we made like another house, we maybe do this, but why would I ever make another house? Oh, also we gotta make sure /game rule. Do fire tick false. So now it shouldn't spread, I'm guessing. And then it shouldn't burn this, right? Honestly, IDK, guys, IDK. Wait, so if we did that, place that on there, it shouldn't burn, right? That's just okay. Wait, water. Still not burning. Still not burning. I don't know if I'm safe, though. It's like some kind of umbrella. Wait a second. Oh no. Hopefully I can like reach it from in here. Darn, I need like some kind of helmet. Uh, uh, uh. We need diamonds. Put them in. Make a diamond helmet. Boom. Wait, I'm okay. I'm okay. Not very fashionable, so just gotta. I'll definitely start putting some stuff in this. Just spam random stuff in here. The thing still isn't burning, so I think we're safe. I think I'm definitely safe. So yeah. Let's just put... Oh. Cause just because I'm a player in Enderman doesn't mean I can pretend. I mean, you guys would probably pretend this. I mean, I'm blue fire and I'm an Enderman. What's that? When that connects, it equals Ultra Enderman burning. Blurning, I said. I meant burning. Don't like outside. Right, I got my with the protector. Definitely need to have this. How do you craft an anvil? Oh right, anvils are like super expensive now in these days. You need like one. We need this much. Need this. Then this. Oh, yeah. They are super expensive anvils. That's why our anvil's so expensive. I have 8 levels. This. Well, first. Oh, alright. Cause I almost forgot. Need this. So. Weather protector. Someday, if we run into a dungeon, definitely have to enchant this with Aqua Infinity. Does I can reel in water. The weather protect actually. Actually just Aqua Infinity everywhere, cause I don't Oh, so there's 2 theories that Endermans have. Either 1, they just die in water, and 2, if they're in water for too long, they turn into squids. I think 1. I don't think 2. Anyway, so the weather protector definitely have to keep. Definitely gonna need to take my crafting table, put it right in here, and then put the rest of the stuff in here, just in my inventory, so I can store it in my chests. So yeah, definitely need to just store all this stuff in the chest. Definitely, maybe we won't need the mine shaft. Maybe we'll just turn that into another portal. Yeah, to my homeland. To my homeland, honestly. Honestly, guys, yes, we should. Just do another portal to my homeland. Oh, so we already got one chest of them full. Anyway, so where do I put our bed? Put our bed right up here. Once we get wool. It's still raining. How do you like effect? We don't slash effect. Give. So this is what we'll need, condiment power. This is what we'll need to walk without a weather protector. This is what condiment power is. So yeah, condiment power is the power that lets you breathe underwater. But it also condiment power is just a thing that you get from a special structure. It's basically dolphin's grace and water breathing together. Yeah. Condiment power, really good. Crossbow. We need we could probably try and craft this to a tripwire hook. I'm pretty sure for tripwire hook we will need iron and sticks. So tripwire hook probably in redstone. So where is it? Oh, where? It's showing all. Where is the tripwire hook? Where the heck is the tripwire hook? How do you craft? Do you know the way? Where is the tripwire hook? Seriously, if you guys spot the tripwire hook and I'm just tripping, please tell me. How about what if I just do boom, boom. Wait, how about I just do this? Boom? No, that has to... What? That's weird. Maybe, how do you... What the... well, guys, hope you guys like this episode. See you guys next time. Bye.